Okay, here I am, Hollywood Joe, silver suit at the Nightingale's Bar, July 18, 1998, New York City. Who's on that gig? I'm trying to see. Drew Benfanti on bass, me on guitar. Here we go. July 18, 1998. Alrighty, let me see. These are the guys playing pool at that bar. This is while we're playing some rock and roll and they're there. Alright, what do we got here? We got Franco the Mountain, Amy Schaffhauser, Eric Kostad, and some kid. Eric played bass with me. Franco has played drums with me. July 4th, 1998, Nyack, New York. Tyler. Who was Tyler? Tyler was one of the kids that Eric Kostad went out with the mother. Here's Spike. Spike's a good guy, plays drums for a punk band, Glen Mayer. Alrighty. Hillsdale, New Jersey, same day. Yeah.